Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County in east central Ohio, western Columbiana County in east central Ohio, northwestern Jefferson, Ohio County in east central Ohio, northeastern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 11 miles northeast of Strasburg to 7 miles northeast of Denison, or along a line from 13 miles northeast of Dover to 8 miles northeast of Rickettsville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Carrollton, Augusta, Salineville, Malvern, Mineral City, Hanoverton, Irondale, Delroy, Shardsville, Roswell, Zoar, Summitville, Mechanicstown, East Rochester, Harlem Springs, New Garden, Atwood Lake, Leesville Lake Park, Guilford Lake State Park, and Winnemucca. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas. National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Barberton, or 7 miles southwest of Akron, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Akron, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Kent, Barberton, Greene, Hudson, Wadsworth, Talmadge, Streetsboro, Mogador, Doylestown, Garrettsville, Manaway, Stowe, Aurora, New Franklin, Norton, Brimfield, and Fairlawn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Medina, Portage, Summit, and Wayne.